I said, no, my secretary forgot to make it.
Okay, it's like this. No, no. It's like this. For example, she asked me a question. Okay? Or did you make the report?
Ma'am, did you make the report?
No, my secretary.
Galit.
My secretary slash photographer. Forgot to make them. Okay? So my secretary slash photographer forgot to make them. Okay? In that situation, is it okay to use the past tense? Yes, okay. And then, Aileen and I are talking. Oh, what did Ma'am Ellie ask you? Oh, she asked me if, about the reports, and then I said, no, I don't have it. My secretary forgot to make it.
The past and the present.
Yeah. Past, and then it's just you're relating this sentence is it's like
Three
you're,
person.
yeah, you are relating your conversation to someone else.
The third person.
There's
Yeah,
a third
person. Understood?
Birthday party.
So it doesn't mean that just because you have the quotation marks, it has to be in present tense.
Okay, next
That's a
page.
birthday party.
Number 6, the waitress told us to come back in 2 hours. Yes. Told us.
Oh, okay. Next.
My client and I slowly walk BBB back to the car.
Okay. The next.
Ma'am Ross.
Ma'am